What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best 65-inch TVs in 2024. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Hisense continues to impress with its offerings in the television market, blending visual excellence with affordability in their latest U8K model. Known for its luminosity and almost frameless appearance, this TV is a true standout. The minimalist design features a metallic gray strip along the upper edges, complementing a more prominent brushed metal strip at the base. Embellished with the Hisense emblem, a considerable bulge beneath this logo houses several important features, including the remote sensor, microphone array, and a switch for microphone privacy. Stability is a key aspect of the U8K design, supported by 2 sturdy T-shaped metal stands that can be adjusted to fit various stand widths, ensuring a snug fit for the 65-inch TV variant. Wall mounting is also an option, thanks to its VESA compatibility. On the connectivity front, the back left side sports a quartet of HDMI ports, of which 2 enable 144Hz refresh rates, alongside 1 USB port, combined 3.5mm ports for audio and composite video, and cable hookup points. The reverse offers an additional USB, Ethernet, and optical audio outputs. Hisense's remote maintains simplicity, a black wand featuring a generous round navigation pad, power and dedicated buttons for setting and voice assistant via Google Assistant, plus shortcut keys to popular streaming services like Amazon Prime Video, Disney+, Netflix, and others. At its heart, the U8K runs on the feature-rich Google TV platform, offering a cornucopia of streaming services, voice-controlled functionality for search and smart home integration. This high-definition 4K TV also supports various HDR formats, from Dolby Vision to HDR10+, ensuring a vibrant and dynamic viewing experience. Astonishingly, the U8K's peak brightness exceeds expectations. While advertised at 1500 nits, real-world tests show even higher results, particularly striking in HDR mode. Color fidelity is commendable, with near-complete coverage of the DCI-P3 color space, despite minor deviations in cyan and magenta hues. Gamers will find much to enjoy too. Its 144Hz panel is VRR capable, includes AMD FreeSync Premium Pro support, and the game mode includes a streamlined game bar for adjusting settings and monitoring input lag, which measures impressively low. For the listed price, you can't beat this one. Up next, Samsung QN90C QLED TV brings to light its dominance in the QLED market. This particular model from Samsung's esteemed Neo QLED lineup shines with superior brightness, offering viewers an exceptional visual feast. Although it doesn't completely outshine Samsung's highest-end QN95 series, it manages to offer comparable features at a more attainable price point. The QN90C's display is engineered to mitigate reflections, making it an ideal choice for various lighting conditions, perfect whether you're catching up on your favorite daytime shows or indulging in the excitement of live sports. For gaming enthusiasts, the TV's robust capabilities ensure a premium experience, be it through traditional console play or cloud-based adventures. Sporting a leading-edge mini-LED technology for backlighting, the QN90C stands out with substantial luminosity that nearly matches the top-tier models like the Samsung QN95C Neo QLED series, while also achieving impressive dark levels thanks to its effective local dimming technology. However, when compared to the deeper black shades typically seen in OLEDs, it offers a slightly varied but nonetheless remarkable shadow detail. Spanning various HDR formats, including HDR10+, HDR10, and HLG, the QN90C does not stop short of embracing Dolby Vision. Its design is appealing, boasting a slender silhouette, minimal bezel, and a robust hexagonal stand that also supports Samsung's ambient mode. This clever feature transforms the screen into a display for art or photographs when not in use. The TV's Smart Tizen platform, while somewhat intricate, offers abundant customization options and compatibility with a wide range of smart home devices. Gamers will find the QN90C exceptionally accommodating, with 4 HDMI 2.1 inputs capable of handling a 4K 120Hz signal, enhancing the gaming experience on next-gen consoles. The innovative gaming hub further extends this offering, connecting players to cloud gaming services like Xbox Cloud Gaming, NVIDIA GeForce Now, and others. In conclusion, the Samsung QN90C QLED TV emerges as a compelling choice, balancing cost and performance for those looking for a top-notch 65-inch television. Venturing into the realm of high-quality TVs, let's take a moment to appreciate the LG C3 OLED, a magnificent 65-inch contender for top honors in the OLED category this year. The LG C3 captures much of the allure that its ultra ultra-high-end counterparts offer, but without making your wallet weep. It stakes its claim in the upper echelons of the television market, balancing cost and class with finesse. The LG C3 impresses from the get-go, boasting a design that smartly houses its electronics and a subtle protrusion on the lower segment of the rear panel. This intelligent layout ensures the majority of the TV maintains a sleek, slim profile that's bound to garner admiration. The C3 trades the G3 OLED's included wall mount for a conventional table stand, meaning you'll need to source a mount separately if you're aiming for a wall-mounted setup. Upon unboxing, you'll find the esteemed LG Magic Remote amongst the standard set of documents. What sets the LG C3 OLED apart is its self-emissive display technology. Free from the restraints of traditional LCD backlights, the C3's OLED pixels operate autonomously, each dialing up or down to create impeccable contrast. Furthermore, the C3 benefits from LG's Infinity 9 AI processor Gen 6, their latest innovation from 2023. This advanced processor refines image quality with a suite of technologies, including brightness enhancements and sophisticated AI technologies. Another highlight is AI sound, which simulates a surround sound experience by expanding 2-channel audio to an immersive 7.1.2 channels. In terms of visual prowess, the C3 OLED performs admirably across both standard dynamic range (SDR) and high dynamic range (HDR) content, well equipped to handle anything from everyday TV shows to blockbuster movies in HDR. It deftly manages glare, ideal for bright rooms, yet it truly excels in darker settings, where its profound black levels can be fully appreciated. For gaming aficionados, low input lag is a game changer, translating joystick jitters to on-screen action almost instantaneously. Its formidable response time ensures that fast-paced visuals, whether sports or video games, remain blur-free. In the audio department, the TV's support for DTS audio adds another layer of appeal as the centerpiece of your home theater setup. Thumbs up for those willing to invest in an elevated viewing experience. The Sony A95L comes highly recommended as the standout 65-inch premium TV of 2024. Its exceptional brightness sets it apart, matched by deep and rich color reproduction that brings every scene to life with remarkable clarity and realistic skin tones. The A95L's physical design is robust yet modern, moving away from flimsiness towards a dependable sturdiness that complements its front-facing elegance. The vibrant power of Sony's A95L is further enhanced by its cognitive processor XR, propelling the device into new realms of clear and accurate color, contrast, and realism. While this TV may be among the pricier options, the visual feast it provides justifies the cost, placing the viewer at the pinnacle of home entertainment technology. Streaming becomes effortlessly convenient with the A95L, thanks to its integration with Google Cast and AirPlay 2. Not to mention the inclusion of Google Assistant makes voice commands a breeze. Sony's unique software features, such as its gaming hub, fine-tune your playing experience by utilizing variable refresh rate and auto low latency mode to optimize next-gen console performance. The bespoke auto-genre picture mode, particularly designed for PS5 users, discerns whether you're gaming or indulging in a movie, adjusting the display to suit. Although the A95L's plastic rear may seem unassuming compared to some competitors, its solid build ensures easy mobility without the worry of screen damage. The simplicity of assembling the stand adds to the convenience, swiftly getting your TV up and running. When it comes to the audio, the A95L tops the charts among flat-screen TVs. Its innovative actuator system uniquely transforms the screen into a speaker, complemented by woofers on the back panel. Additionally, the optional Bravia camera facilitates ambient light adaptation and enables interactive features like gesture control and safety mechanisms for children. The testament to the A95L's superiority is its image quality. With OLED's signature perfect blacks due to individual pixel illumination, scenes are displayed with a depth that's endlessly captivating. Reflections take on a silvery sheen, skin tones exhibit subtle gradations, shadow details are preserved even in low light, and colors burst forth with natural vibrancy. If you can afford this beast, we say go for it. Introducing the champion of premium 65-inch TVs for 2024, the Samsung S95C OLED. Standing out in a crowded field, this television delivers a visual punch that sets it apart from the rest. With OLED technology at its core, this TV shines brighter and brings colors to life with astonishing clarity. Alongside its visual prowess, the Samsung S95C offers a sound experience that truly envelops you, outperforming its predecessors with a clearer and more robust audio output. The sleekness of the S95C's design is immediately noticeable with its impressively slim profile, measuring just 11 millimeters, challenging traditional notions of TV aesthetics. The magic doesn't stop the display. Samsung introduces the ingenious One Connect box, a singular hub that houses connection ports and declutters your entertainment space by keeping cables neatly out of sight. Simply plug all your peripherals into this box and enjoy a clean, minimalistic setup. When it comes to gaming, the S95C OLED elevates the experience to new heights. Incorporating Samsung's Game Hub, gamers are treated to seamless integration with popular cloud gaming services like Xbox Game Pass and NVIDIA GeForce Now. Versatility continues with your choice of voice assistants, opting between Alexa and Samsung's Bixby, easily accessible through the remote or wake word activation. But how does the S95C stack up when it comes to brightness? Our tests reveal a substantial enhancement, signaling a bright future for OLED displays. The S95C shines about 30% brighter than its predecessor, with HDR content lighting up to nearly 1370 nits, a remarkable feat indeed. At the heart of these advancements is Samsung's natural quantum processor 4K, ensuring every frame is delivered with striking contrast and deep shadows. The blacks on this TV are nuanced, allowing for detailed high dynamic range and preserving the purity of highlights. Gamers will particularly appreciate the native 120Hz refresh rate among AMD FreeSync Premium Pro support, optimizing the TV for fast-paced action without compromising on picture quality. Overall, this model delivers top-notch performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it. So that's it for the top 5 best 65-inch TVs in 2024. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive the notifications about our latest video.